Okay, just finished doing the points on the Old Skandic 503 Rotax. I don't have her buttoned together quite yet, but I'm going to just test it before I put it all together, like recoil and all that. So I'm going to start her clutch side. This is called starting her clutch side. Here's another good tip for you. When you break down and your recoil doesn't work, you can always take the rope out of it and start it clutch side. But here we go. Well, that sounds a lot better. Before she's only running on one. And as you notice, I put to stop the engine, I choked her out, so just put your hand over the carb. You get a bit of fuel on your hand, which you should wipe off and actually wear gloves all the time. I know most guys don't wear gloves, but the amount of shit that I work on, or the amount of stuff I work on, yeah, I better wear gloves. Somewhat, anyway. They always rip. But anyway, so now she sounds pretty good. There were some old marks in the timing when I took off. I basically did it without taking the whole